And finally, here is a hint on how to make life here more enjoyable.
それはご近所の人と
Get to know your neighbors.
自分から
A good way to start is by always calling out ohayo gozaimasu and konnichi when you see them.
勇気がいる
It takes courage the first time, but after you've exchanged greetings a few times, people will begin to talk to you.
はずです
If there's anything you don't understand, just ask. There are lots of nice people in Fukuoka who will be happy to help. The guidebook on garbage rules and the Fukuoka International Association website are available in English, Chinese, and Korean for additional information. Check it out! I hope that you can fulfill all your goals and hopes here in
来
Japan.
る前に検診したことを全部叶えるように頑張ってください。いろいろ体験
Try
し
new
た方が
things
一
and
番
new
いいと思います
experiences and learn to
応援します
adapt.
頑張ってください。はい、以上です。
Good luck!